Hey everybody, this is Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another plant unboxing. So I just got back from a beach workout, so I'm looking pretty crazy and it's my day off from teaching and dancing. I actually was planning on going to San Diego for dance school, but I ended up buying another Mercedes and trading my old one in. It's a white Mercedes. I'll go ahead and throw up a picture of Ebby in the car. So that was my day. I was there all day, but I'm glad that I have my new car. Ebby's there hanging out. So I came home, well actually while I was working at the beach, I got a notification that my plant arrived and I was like, okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm kind of been on this little plant craze on philodendrons, rare ones. I love aroids, I love philodendrons, and I am into variegated plants. So that is going to be today's video. So let's go ahead and unbox it. And I love how I'm gonna do another unboxing video and my camera's about to die, but I'll go ahead and switch out the battery if that happens. So here is my box, and I'm really came all the way from, I wanna say somewhere in California, I don't know where, and I've never seen this particular plant in person, so it's gonna be my first time seeing this in person. It's a very small cutting, and with anything rare and variegated, it was very expensive, and I will purchase the variegated MONSTERA, the albo, and the Thai constellation soon. My goal is probably to purchase one before the year ends. They're very expensive right now, especially since plants have been like a really big trend lately, so it's very expensive for these variegated philodendrons. Okay, I have it in here. Let's see how, Ebby, this is not for you, honey. She thinks it's for her. Do you want to come and help mommy open it up? Do you want to say hi to everybody? Come here. Hi, babe. It died right before I went to reveal the plant, like the last video. So here it is. Wow, this person really triple packed it. Let's see. I never had a plant order like this. And also shout out to my subscribers who's been purchasing plants from me. I love being able to make new plant friends. So this is again another rare little plant baby that I'm paying a lot of money for, but I feel like these are little investments in my collection. I can always sell cuttings from it. I can make more plant babies, and they're like little investments. Okay, look at the way how they plaqued it. Okay, this is a first, like this. Okay, they put it in a plastic cup. Oh my goodness. Okay, here it is. Ebby, you wanna say hi? Come here. Okay, let's help mommy open it up. And say hi to the channel. Yeah? You've been a good girl? You have a new car? You like your car? Yeah, we went for a drive down to the beach and had our beach workout. Okay, so a little bit of sphagnum moss, a little bit of moss with it. And okay, let's see what's going on with this cutting here. Looks kind of crazy. Look at that. Okay, so is there like multiple cuttings in here? Okay, so I don't know what this is. There's one cutting here and then another cutting here. Is there roots on this cutting? A little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and put this moss down, making a mess here. Okay, so as you can see, very, very tiny. I have to message the seller and see what's going on, because I know I was aware of this cutting. You can see this is a very, very small cutting. So I'm going to probably put it in leca balls, I'm thinking. Well, I have the plant in front of me. Let me get some leca balls and set up these two in water, and they're gonna live in the leca ball system. And maybe in the future when, yeah, I think I'm gonna put it in leca balls. I can always switch it up to soil maybe in a month or so. Okay, 2 leca ball setups I'm gonna use for my cuttings. And I wasn't thinking I was gonna put it in leca balls. I thought I was gonna put it in soil right away, and I wasn't aware there was 2 cuttings. I actually thought I just purchased this one. For this one, I want to put it here, and there is a damaged leaf right here, but it's okay. And then for the bigger cutting, I'm going to put it in here. So this is going to be the setup for the plant. Let me just leave this here on the side. Okay, so for this, I'm I'm doing an imaginary potting tray here. This is such a small project. I don't want to have to move the camera and set something up really big. So I emptied it out halfway so that I can get the cutting in there. And there is some little bit of water roots in there, so not mad at that. Let's stick it in here. So I'm gonna hold it up with my 2 fingers here, and then I'm gonna fill it up with Leka balls. So this is going to be the current setup until further notice. I can always switch it to soil when I feel like it, but literally I put a bunch of different things in Leka balls and I've never had a problem. My Hoya cuttings root up in Leka balls, and I have a bunch living in it full time, and I like the semi-hydro method. It's a lot cleaner, but I'll eventually switch it to soil. Then I'll add some worm castings in the soil mixture, but for now this is good. Sound off in the comments below if you have this plant. Do you collect philodendrons? And what do you think about the baby cutting that I got? Let me just add a little bit. It's crazy how the plant life is so either really cheap or really expensive depending on what kind of plant it is. But again, they're like little investments for me, and they're so, oh, here I go making a mess. And they're so satisfying when they give me new roots. Okay, so this is going to be the setup. As you can see, here it is. You can see one of the roots there. It's fine. You can see what's going on. So love that. Very pretty. I want this end of this cutting, laying the roots down, and then I want to cover it. I think this is the perfect Leka ball vessel for the type of cutting it is. Again, there's roots, but I'll let it live like this for the time being. Okay, so let's get a little bit more and I'll be good to go. Went back for a little bit more Leka balls to make sure that everything is good in here. Okay, I want to say this is how I want to keep it for now. So here is the current setup for my second cutting, which I wasn't aware about, and I don't know, I'm gonna leave it like this until further notice, and I'll keep you guys posted on when I move this to soil. But for now I think I'll just leave it like this. So here is the final look on both of the cuttings in a Leka ball setup. Sound off in the comments below. What do you think about my very expensive philodendron cuttings? Again, this is very small, but if you really want to plant and if you collect certain type of plants and species, then you will pay that dollar amount to get that plant. So if you are a philodendron or aroid fanatic like me, let me know in the comments down below, and I will eventually get me a variegated MONSTERA, both albo and Thai constellation soon, so stay tuned for that. But I wanted to do another mail order, and I've been on a rare philodendron kick, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'd love to get another rare Hoya in the future, and I'll keep you guys posted. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, planting with Jewelyn, showing you how I set up plants when I get them. Again, this is the first time I did a mail order and I set them up in Leka balls, and I just kind of thought about it on a whim just because of how they were received. and I'll keep you posted when they graduate into soil. If you enjoyed this video, enjoyed seeing the unboxing of a rare philodendron, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you have this plant. How big is it? How long have you had it? I'm very interested. I've never seen this plant in person. Find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit the bell and subscribe button to be notified on my daily uploads. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. I'm really excited about my new car, my third Mercedes. A white one. I have a thing for white Mercedes. So if you enjoyed seeing me do unboxings, let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see more unboxings in the future. I don't buy my plants online. I like getting them in person and sharing that experience with you on the channel. But for the rare ones, I'll go ahead and do some mail orders. So I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you tomorrow. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye.